Creating your own website and store for your e-commerce is quite straightforward and simple nowadays. You have an enormous choice among those services that offer website builders specifically for e-commerce businesses. You can choose from free of charge possibilities, or more sophisticated websites that offer a more complete service to simplify your exchanges with your future customers. Most of these platforms will help you create your own storefront for your business and provide payment processing and hosting services. The advantage of these services is that you don't need to be an expert computer programmer or even have prior experience in web development. They will help you with all the hassle. You can find services that provide you with a storefront as well as sophisticated features that will help you promote and manage your business as well as monitor how well your business is doing. You can open your store anywhere in the world and have access to high-quality customer service, which will be a great advantage for the appearance and functioning of your business. Some software systems proposed by these services can even accommodate for different languages, currencies and tax systems. All that fastidious work is dealt with by someone else. All you have to do is to concentrate on selling your products and promoting them. These services use a website template system that allow you to build and maintain your own online store easily and efficiently, in order for you to be able to focus on customers and sales. For the managing of websites can be rather complex. These services allow you to add sections, pictures, products, descriptions as well as the possibility to add and edit product properties, change prices, tax or shipping information. With the obvious advantage of not having to pay someone to do this for you if you are not familiar with the programming procedures. With these systems you can begin straight away with all the features you see on the other websites, rendering your storefront professional looking and efficient. If you are just starting, first impressions are extremely important. It might therefore be a good idea to invest on a good website builder service, which will be relatively cheap as they will be doing everything for you, as it is difficult and time-consuming to keep all these sophisticated features up to date and in good working condition. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.